I really think that somewhere this obsession to be thin, especially in women, is also about the obsession to become the smallest that one can be, in the hope that they are therefore found attractive and acceptable and worthy of love. I have seen women do that even with their intelligence and speech. Some women almost take pride in saying how they can kind of play down and dumb down and laugh at every idiotic joke that they hear. And I'm often accused of only giving dating advice to women. So today I will also give a dating advice to men, that if a woman laughs at every joke, it's a red flag, you know. And if a woman tells you, just shut up, I don't want to hear one more word, green flag, that's the one that you're looking for. Yes, this obsession to become thin and to look a certain way has gotten amplified with social media. Any which ways I've been working like from 98. I'm yet to meet a girl who thinks that she's thin enough. Every time that I meet a girl, whether they are in their 20s or 30s or 50s or 70s, whether they are 48 kilos or 68 kilos or 110 kilos, they feel that they are extremely fat. So I have figured that how fat girls feel has got nothing to do with their shape, with their size, or with their weight. It is a feeling of inadequacy that has been ghussaud inside us at a cellular level. So while we are alive, while we are young, we have to remove it. And one of the good ways to practice it is that every time we take a selfie or a photo, just because we are looking fat in our heads, we should not delete it. Because if we delete it, then the tech is so evolved that depending on the number of photos and more specifically the selfies you delete, tech starts pushing those kind of ads to you, whether it is weight loss or Ozempic or hashtag protein or collagen or whatever else that it is. So you got to be happy with the way you're looking, because the fact of the matter is that in 2025, when you look at your 2020 picture, you go like, why was I thinking that I'm fat? I look perfectly fine. But in 2020 you're thinking that you're fat. So 2025 में अगर fat लग रहा है आपको, तो you remind yourself कि अगर 2030 तक रहूंगी और phone देखूंगी, तो then I will be like, अरे 2025 I was perfectly fine. Why was I thinking like this? Because if you keep thinking poorly about yourself, you lose out on living in the moment, and that is the biggest loss that one can go through.